This is question number 22. You can read questions. Okay, we're going to select two numbers. Okay, so following the manner. So a coin is flipped. If lands head, it is flipped again. Okay, I'm going to make right table. Okay, we start from here. If it is head, we flip again. And second flip, if it is head, we'll get to a 0. If second flip is tail, it's gonna be 1. We have two numbers already. Now the next one, if we have tail first, okay, we choose what? 0 and 1, okay? So possibly we have three numbers, 0, 1, and 0 and 1, okay? So this one will be, one of the number will be x, the other one is y, but it should satisfy this one. X minus y, the distance will be 1/2. Okay, so how can you choose the number? You cannot choose 0 and 0 because distance is 0, right? That's not working. You cannot choose 1 and 1, okay? So we choose in different number, okay? So the first case, I'm gonna try this, okay? Case 1. First case, you can choose x and y. When x equals 0, y is 1, or y equals 0, x equals 1, y is 0, okay? You can choose this too. But to choose number 0, okay, from here, okay, we're gonna write out sign the probability, okay? So from first one, the probability was half and half. It's okay? Half and half. I'm gonna use, okay. And the second over here, another half and half, right? So to get the right, this result is gonna be 1/4. Output is, okay? The probability 1/4. This is 1/4. This is 1/2. Okay? So we have 3 probability, okay? Now check. To get away x equals 0, 1, and y equals 1, right? Okay? Absolutely, the difference is greater than 1/2, isn't it? So what's the probability to have a 0? To have a 0 over here, 1/4, okay? 1/4 times, to get the 1, also 1/4. It's gonna be 1/16. Okay, that's the same thing, right? Okay, 1/4, 1/4, 1/16. In this case, 1/16 plus 1/16 is what? 2/16, right? The probability to choose 0, 1 or 1, 0 will be 2/16. Okay. Okay, now check case 2. Okay, this space over here. Case 2. Case 2. I'm gonna choose what? 0 and this interval, okay? So this is x, y. 0 and this interval. F. Okay, and 1 and this interval. And the other one is what? X is 0, 1. Y is 0. X is 0, 1. Y is 1, right? We have 4 different choices. Okay, so now let's find the probability. Okay, the person to get a 0 is 1/4. Okay, this one is 1/4 times. Second one is over here 1/2. Isn't it? The probability is 1/2. It's gonna be 1/8. But the difference is what? Greater than 1/2. Isn't it? So take this one. This is 1/2. We take another half over this one, right? Because when x equals 0, y should be in this interval, right? Half. So we're gonna multiply 1/2 again, okay? So actually, it's going to be, okay, it's going to be 1/16, isn't it? So this is also 1/16, right? Same things. It's also 1/16. What about this one? This interval should be half of that one, okay? It should be, but this is 0, this is also half of this, same thing with this, okay? So it will be 160. This is same with this one, is 160. Total is how much? 4 over 60, okay? That's the probability. Okay, the last one, I'm gonna from here. The last one, case 3. Case 3, x, y, choose both same interval, okay, from here. 0 and 1, 0 and 1, okay? What is the probability? 1/2 times 1/2 equals 1/4. I should satisfy this equation, okay? So this is x and y. Maybe you can use this. If x is and y is here, this is 1 and 0, isn't it? I satisfy this one. X minus y greater than 1/2. That's right. Let me see. Greater than 1/2. How can you solve this one? This is actually right there. Y minus x greater than 1/2. Same thing, right? So it's gonna be looks like this way. Y minus x greater than 1/2, or y minus x less than negative 1/2. Right? That's the solution. So from here we can find y equals y is greater than x plus 1/2. Okay. From here y is greater than x minus 1/2. Where is x plus 1/2? This is 1/2. Y equals 1/2. Slope is 1. Okay. This way. Greater than is what? This side. Okay. When you make it this way, better. Okay. This graph is what? This graph is what? Over here, right? Minus 1/2. It's okay? It's going to minus 1/2 pass over here. Less than is what? I'm sorry, this is less than, right? I'm sorry. This is less than. So, this way. Okay? What is this geometric probability? 1/4, right? This is each one is a 1/8. Another 1/8, 1/4. Pi should be equal to what is that? Over here, another 1/4. Okay, but in this case, okay, to get the whole things that is 1/4. To get what this one, this area, we multiply each another 1/4. Okay, it's gonna be 160. Is it okay? Yeah, this is 160. Case 3, it will be 160. So what is the probability all this together? Okay, let me see. Case 1 is 2 over 16, 2 over 16. Case 2, 4 over 16. Case 3, 1 over 16. Total is how much? 7 over 16. Okay, that's the answer. All right, that's it.